Hello, today's topic is symmetry in context to organic chemistry. So, symmetry is when a shape looks identical to its original shape after being flipped or turned. The symmetry operation is carried out by either the point line or plane. It is the movement of the molecule about a symmetry element such that resulting in the configuration is identical, indistinguishable from the original one. Let us look into the elements of symmetry. There are three major elements of symmetry: planar symmetry, center of symmetry, and alternating axis of symmetry. Planar symmetry. To divide the molecule into two equal parts such that one part of the molecule will be mirror image of another part. For example, here is a compound which can be divided into planar symmetry by dividing it exactly from the middle here. So this is an example of planar symmetry. Now coming to center of symmetry. The center of symmetry is defined as a point in the molecule through which, if a line is drawn in one direction and extended to equal distance in opposite directions to meet another similar atom, and it would be identical. Like for example, now here is a compound. Now the center would be about somewhere here. So now if we draw a line this side and opposite here, or if we draw a line like this, or like this, or like this, either ways if we draw the line, then it's going to make a symmetrical shape. So this is an example of center of symmetry. Now coming to alternating axis. When a molecule possesses alternating axis of symmetry, when it is rotated through an angle of 360 degrees by n about the axis followed by reflection in a plane perpendicular to its axis, the molecule is identical to the original molecule. So, what it basically tries to tell is that when there is a reflection that takes place after the symmetry is divided, then it is called an alternating axis symmetry. Like for an example, I would show you an example. Now here is an example. So basically this is the compound right here. We are assuming this to be a compound. And now when this is rotated 180 degrees, you can see it has become a mirror image over here, right? But now if you pass this to form a reflection, then this is a reflecting surface. So now this will form another compound, right? So now the first compound and the third compound right here, that is we have formed, is basically symmetrical. So here we have formed a compound that is divided when it is 360 divided by 3, right? So n is 3 because we have made a mirror image thrice. Once rotating it 180 degrees and then positioning it through a mirror image. So it makes around n is equal to 3. So this is basically the symmetry coming to alternating axis of symmetry. So that is it for this video. Thank you.